Well, another day and another mess at the Commonwealth Games preparation. Today's dose, here it is. First, they construct a building for the Games' medical facilities. Rather important, you think, that building. Now they scrap that building and switch to tents instead. Tents as a medical facility, and it costs more than 1 crore, by the way. Now, is that bad planning or what?
This is where world-class players coming for the Commonwealth Games will be treated in case of any injuries or accidents. A tent, rented for a whopping 1.3 crores. This massive camping equipment has been imported from Germany. But here's the kicker. The Commonwealth decided and built a permanent medical facility at the Games Village. A medical clinic in the basement built to specifications of the DDA and the OC's medical team is lying vacant under the towers that you see on your screen. We weren't allowed to go inside and film, but sources have told NDTV that it was rejected by the medical committee of the OC because an ambulance couldn't drive up to it. NDTV has also learned that in the specifications of the clinic, the builders, the DDA, have apparently forgot to provide for any drainage. The facility, built at a cost of several crores, will now be used for storage. The decision to reject the clinic was taken by 2 members of the OC's medical committee, Mr. Mehndiratta and Mr. I. Singh. Sources within the medical community, which include doctors and technicians who will be part of the medical team for the Commonwealth, have also told NDTV that they are extremely unhappy with the new arrangements. The tent is made of fabric, so it's difficult to keep it sterile. There are also no partitions in case needed. NDTV also tried to get in touch with the organizing committee, but they have so far refused to comment. We also contacted the DDA. They too refused to come on camera but gave us a statement. The medical facility was rejected because an ambulance couldn't drive up to it. There's also an AC duct that's blocking the entrance. While athletes are meant to get world-class medical facilities housed in a more permanent structure, at the very last moment, members of the organizing committee's medical team found that the premises was unfit. Instead, they once again dipped into the overlays fund and imported a tent for 1.5 crore rupees. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.